Yeah, first of all, thank you very much to you for this opportunity to stay in India, even if in digital way, but to visit India in this moment. Then we start really right the 2020. The order intake, the project around the world was really good. We make a different project, really interesting, and our backlog is really still is in safe way and healthy way. For sure, in the quarter two, we start to have an impact on this with this incredible emergency that is the coronavirus, and for sure we will face this for the next two quarters. We believe in quarter two and quarter three, we will see the real impact of the coronavirus on the economy. In this moment, for sure, our airjet technology, our machine technology are in position to give us, in any case, a good result, even if in this emergency situation in all over the world. But right, for sure, as you say, as you can imagine, quarter two and quarter three will be the real point, the turning point of this year for the emergency. Yeah, you know, at the end, we start in January to face this coronavirus situation in China, in our factory there. Then we start immediately to support from Italy, our factory near to Shanghai, in order to, it was the 10th of February, in order to recover the situation and to become productive. Step by step, we reopen in China, starting from middle of February, roughly. Then this virus arrived in the Europe, you know, the impact in Italy, mainly in the north of Italy. Then we worked properly till the 20th of March. And after the 20th of March, we will restart 2 weeks ago, again, to rework, means the beginning of May. In Switzerland, our factory is working, stable, without any interruption. This was a really great opportunity for us, and all over the world, our sales and service organization, in some part are working, some part are not working. Now the big emergency, as you can imagine, is in US. In India, you know very well the situation, and in the rest of Europe, still is the situation is still liquid. We are working for protect our employee. This is our first job right now, to protect the employee, to protect the family, to give to all our people a clear solution for face this emergency right now. Even in India, where we have more than 150 colleagues in our organization in India, between ITEMA India and Shock India in Kolhapur. And we restart to work in Kolhapur 1 week ago, but with all the devices and all the medical assistance for and the distance for help our people there. For sure, as a multinational company, then we know very well the impact of coronavirus on the productivity. But really, for us in this moment, it's really important to have an healthy organization, healthy family, and that our people are working with a secure future for this. This is the most important point for us. Yeah, thank you very much for this question, because, you know, we say, I can say in 2 words, care and protect. We won't take care, as I mentioned before, our people. We won't take care and the relative of our people. We won't take care our customers. We won't take care our machine. These are our job in this moment. And for this, we develop an approach that we call care and protect, where we have all inside. We have safety rules, we have healthy rules for this. Then we have all the restart activity for machine, assembly package, spare part package, training package, in order to put also our machine in the healthy condition. Healthy people, healthy machine. This is our main focus right now, to avoid that our customers are facing difficulty when they restart the productivity. Because the market will remain really tough for all of us and for our customers for the next months. And that means that we need to be ready to stay close to each other and to provide and take care and protect our customer business. This is we won't work with a healthy customer, and for work with healthy customer, we need to protect our customer. And we are in strong financial position as a ITEMA group, and then we can also support our customer properly in this way. I won't repeat really clearly this point, because also in India is really important for me. It's an important country and important people, because you are a culture of the problem solving, and I like a lot your culture in this way. And then in this care and protect for us are two words that we will follow strongly in all this year in order to protect our people, our customer, and our machines. This as you know, my long experience in the industry market, as you mentioned, I think that first of all, we need to say clearly that textile industry is really important all over the world. We have, this is an important point. We need to strongly work all together, media, producing of machines, producing of fabrics, between competitors. We need to work more together for give more power to the textile industry around the world. And why I say this? Because these have an impact, direct impact on the lifestyle of our people, of our people around the world, our culture. We have a different textile culture around the world, different needed. And we need to stay strongly together as a textile sector, all together, for say clearly to the governments, to say clearly to the to all the institutions that the textile is really important for the future of the world. This is the first point. The second point is for sure the textile industry have in front a clear modification coming. This is done by the impact of digitalization around the world. For us as a producer of machine means that we need to think about how the digital solution will impact in terms of production of machine, in terms of usage of machine, in training, in terms of digital twin, in terms of reduce the cost, reduce the impact in the consumption. And I believe that in the next year, and also the coronavirus impact have a big step, is a big step in this digital approach, will increase this impact in the textile industry and in the mills. Then step one, to say clearly all together that textile industry is really important for the lifestyles of the people. Step number two, that the digital impact is coming also in textile, and we need to make this in proper way in all over the world, in all the country, also for the small mill factory, the familiar factory. We need to understand also this point. The third point, I think that there are new fabrics coming, are the technical fabrics, what we call the performance fabrics, the nanotechnology, textile fabrics. We have a lot of to do here. We need to increase with our customer the possibility to make more business and more value in the textile fabrics. We need to put more technology inside the textile fabric. For sure, we have all the basic of textile that will remain more or less the same. But we have, in the other hand, a big technology possibility in the textile industry. And we need to use this technology and this possibility of future for our customer. And I believe, for example, that in India, with your great experience in textile, but not only, also in digital, that we can work a lot for this. That means that the third step is to use and to expand the market of our customer in terms of textile technology. And then I think that for us as ITEMA, we want to become more and more a provider of solution, not only supply machine that will remain for sure our core, but now we are working for become more a solution provider. Means that we must be able, starting from the basic of textile, to move together with partners and the country to have suppliers and what I can say, OEM cooperation, and then entering the mass textile, and then entering the solution provider approach. Means to use also machine as a platform and sharing the value with our customer and share also the risk with our customer. This is the future of ITEMA, but I believe also that is the future of the textile industry. But first of all, regarding 2020, as I mentioned before, I think that we must be strong in the quarter 2 and the quarter 3. Also, our customer must work properly for make an internal stress test approach. I can call like this. Means that they must put all the organization, we must put all our organization under a stress test for be sure that the quarter 2 and quarter 3 is managed properly on the healthy condition, in healthy condition, financial, technology, and all the rest. For sure, we will start to see something in the quarter 4. I don't believe that we will have a big jump. I believe that the recovery from this crisis will be slow, step by step. I think that till the end of quarter 1 in 2021, the situation will remain more or less stable. We expect after the different check in the different market and with the different customer, we expect that the situation will be more stable starting from the middle of next year. And then in 2022, I expect that the market will come back with, for sure, an important number, but also a new normal situation. We will have a new normal situation in the market that is not the market before that we saw before the COVID-19.